Back to the Future 2 was close to hitting the mark when it predicted 2015 would bring hoverboards, self-tying shoes, and wearable devices. While the most common hoverboards on the market don't actually hover, Nike's latest reveal just a few months into 2016 finally brings Marty McFly's iconic sneakers to life. The company has unveiled the Nike HyperAdapt 1.0, which automatically tighten when the wearer's heel hits a sensor. And they will be available to Nike Plus members later this year. The HyperAdapt 1.0 is the first step in Nike's adaptive lacing endeavors. While this shoe is manually controlled, the company says it shows the possibility for a similar, automated system. The shoe will tighten automatically when a person steps in, triggered by the heel hitting a sensor. But to perfect the fit, it must be manually tightened or loosened using buttons on the sides, according to Tiffany Beers, senior innovator, Nike, and the project's technical lead. Designer Tinker Hatfield explains that these shoes merge different technological capabilities to meet the challenges faced by athletes. Innovation at Nike is not about dreaming of tomorrow. It's about accelerating toward it, says Tinker Hatfield. We're able to anticipate the needs of athletes because we know them better than anybody. Sometimes, we deliver reality before others have begun to imagine it. The ease of the system allows athletes to quickly make precise micro-adjustments to reduce pressure from tight laces, or slippage when they're too loose. That's an important step, because feet undergo an incredible amount of stress during competition, says Hatfield. After Hatfield asked Beers if she wanted to figure out the first baby step to get to a more sophisticated place, the project was also picked up by Nike, Incorporated. President and CEO Mark Parker, who helped guide the process. Beers worked alongside a group of engineers, taking the idea from a snowboard boot to numerous prototypes in 2013, to the underfoot lacing mechanism of the Nike HyperAdapt 1.0. This apparatus was first used in celebration of Back to the Future Day, October 21, 2015, as mentioned in the movie sequel, when Michael J. Fox was presented a pair of self-lacing Nike Mag sneakers. Now, the design has been slimmed down to a sport version. It's a platform, Beers says, something that helps envision a world in which product changes as the athlete changes. It is amazing to consider a shoe that sends what the body needs in real time, Hatfield says. That eliminates a multitude of distractions, including mental attrition, and thus truly benefits performance. Wouldn't it be great if a shoe, in the future, could sense when you needed to have it tighter or looser? Could it take you even tighter than you'd normally go if it senses you really need extra snugness in a quick maneuver? That's where we're headed. In the future, product will come alive. Nike says this achievement proves the concept of a fully automated self-lacing shoe is attainable. The HyperAdapt 1.0 will be available to Nike Plus members in 3 colors later this year.